Welcome to series of instruments in medical physiology introducing clinical thermometer. So clinical thermometer is always placed in a plastic container. So this is a container in which the clinical thermometer is placed. So this is made up of glass, so you have to handle it very carefully. So this is also called as mercury in glass thermometer. So first about the term thermometer. Thermometer is derived from the Greek word thermos. Thermos means hot and metron measure. So this is an apparatus used to measure the body temperature of human beings. And the peculiarity of this thing is that it is completely made up of glass with two ends. The two ends are sealed. In one end you can see a silver portion that is called as a bulb of the thermometer, and the other end is completely closed. And above the bulb there is a small constriction. This is to catch the mercury. And after that the stem portion, this is called as the stem portion, and this stem portion is having dual calibrations. Both side calibrations are there. So one side it is degree Fahrenheit and the other side it is degree Celsius calibration. So degree Celsius you can get the reading from 35 to 42, and degree Fahrenheit you can get from 95 to 108. Both here one arrow mark you can see, that arrow mark is in the 37 point, and that is the normal body temperature. And the principle of this clinical thermometer is that this when this heat is applied, the mercury expands. So the mercury comes out of this bulb and comes to the stem portion. So when how to take the reading? So when this mercury level is above this arrow mark, you are having increased body temperature. When this mercury level is below this arrow mark, means it is body temperature is less than normal. So that is about this apparatus. Next, we will see how we can use this procedure of this measuring the body temperature. So ensure that before using the clinical thermometer and after using the thermometer, you have to wash the thermometer in antiseptic solution. And before using it, ensure that the mercury level is below the normal marking. So to bring the mercury level below the normal marking, one thing you have to do, that is you have to see with your naked eye that the silver portion is below the arrow mark. If it is above that, you should bring it to the below level, that is by gentle shaking of the thermometer in the downward direction. So like this, keeping in the downward direction, you have to gently shake 2 to 3 times. Then see whether this level of the mercury is below the markings. If it is below the marking, you can start the procedure. So the procedure is that wipe the thermometer with the cotton, then keep the thermometer in the mouth for complete 1 minute. The position is that is below the tongue region. It should touch the tip of the posterior part of the tongue. Posterior part of the tongue, the tip of the thermometer should touch. And you should not bite the thermometer. Close the mouth. Keep it for complete 1 minute. After 1 minute, take the thermometer out of the mouth. Wipe with the cotton and see with the naked eye this marking, this level of the mercury, expanded level of the mercury. And ensure that reading is taken by seeing that marking, that arrow mark, above that mark or below the mark. So I told above the mark means there is body temperature is more. So like that we are using this thermometer. And nowadays digital for convenience, we are using the oral temperature. We are taking the oral temperature. Nowadays for the layman, common people also can check their body temperature at your house itself. No need to go to the clinician's office to take the temperature. So for that convenience, digitalized thermometers are also available nowadays. But for accuracy, the clinical thermometer is very effective. And we can take axillary temperature as well as rectal temperature also using the clinical thermometer. So in the infants, babies, or some comatose patients and all, maybe we cannot take the oral temperature. We will be unable to take the oral temperature. Then we can go for axillary or rectal temperature. So axillary temperature is the same procedure only. Wipe it everything, then keep in the under the armpit. That is also for complete 1 minute, and abduct the arm and keep it for 1 minute. As likewise in the rectal region also you can insert the thermometer. Then the reading varies in this three: oral, rectal, and this axillary temperature. So axillary temperature will always be 1 degree less to this oral temperature, whereas this rectal temperature will be 1 degree more to the oral temperature. So that point also you have to keep in mind when you are getting the result. So this is about the clinical thermometer. Hope you all enjoyed this session. Thank you very much.